how to create your own music with your own voice, like this one here.
Wake up early, rooster crow, that's my alarm. Sun rising over hills, got dreams on my arm. Mama in the kitchen cooking plantain and beans. Papa already hustling, chasing real life dreams. From embargo.
You get it? You're going to be using completely free AI tools to create this music, and you can create it using your own voice. So let's jump right in without wasting much of your time. For you to make your own music, you need to head over to Play Store, search for ChatGPT. ChatGPT. This is the icon here. Search for ChatGPT. This is the icon. So I will open my own because I have ChatGPT in my phone already. So if you're downloading ChatGPT for the first time, you're going to be logging in with your email. Remember. So in ChatGPT, generate a hip hop lyrics for me about a Cameroonian daily lifestyle. My name is Edwin Yu and I live in Yaoundé, Cameroon. Then you click on this arrow, send, and you wait for your lyrics. Title, Yaoundé, also by Edwin Yu, very important. So this is the intro. Yeah, it's Edwin Yu on the mic, straight at Yaoundé city. You know, yeah man. So this is your lyrics. This is your lyrics, okay? So now you've get your lyrics. Let's go to the engine, the main place. You head over to Play Store again and search Suno. Suno AI. Then you search. Yeah, this is Suno, the yellow app. You click open. Now you're opening the app. Now you are in the app. Another way to access Suno, you go to your browser. Another way to access Suno, you go to your browser, come to this place here, you type in Suno.ai, this one. Can you see Suno.ai? Click and you are here again. Okay, so now what you're going to do is come to this place here. This is my my past generation. So you come to this yellow place here. Yeah, now you see a place where you're going to put in your lyrics, the one you generate, remember. So guys, if you're watching this video for your first time, please do well to like, share, comment, give me a follow. Very important guys. Anything you want to know about AI generation, video generation, please drop a comment and write what you want me to teach next time. Drop a comment and write what you want me to teach next time. If it's about the music, you tell me. If it's about AI apps, free AI tools to generate, you tell me. I paid to learn all these things, but I'm willing to teach you for free. So like, share, comment. Come to ChatGPT. Yeah, copy. Then come to Suno, paste. Now you have paste. Okay, now what they're going to do is are going to look for how the music is going to sing. So now you go back to ChatGPT and say it, please. Go back to ChatGPT and say please describe how this music should sing. Describe how this music should sing, and then you send. Then you got the description. This is the description how the music should sing. This is the description how the music should sing. So you copy the description and paste it. You copy the description, you copy the description, copy the description, then come back to Suno, come here, paste. Oh, the description is very long. Okay, I'm going to redo the description. The description is very long. Yeah, so now we've got a description. Now is to add a title. Add a song title. Go back to ChatGPT and you have your song title here. Go to ChatGPT and you have a song title. Yeah, here. You get the song title. Come to the Suno and paste your song title. Okay, up here you can add your voice. Let the song sing in your voice. You can add it, but for now I'll be going with the system voice. Okay, I'll be going with the system voice. So let's create our song right now. Click on the create. Take a cup of coffee, relax, cross your leg and wait for your music. Okay, oh, song is ready. Tap.
It's Edwin, you're on the mic.
Yeah,
Street talk, man. You're in the city. You know the vibe.
oh,
Come on to the world.
oh,
Let's go.
oh,
Wake up early, rooster crow. That's my alarm. Sunrise rising over hills, got dreams on my arm. Mama in the kitchen cooking plantain and beans. Papa already hustling, chasing real life dreams. Remember, got that to follow market scenes. Life no easy, but we steady chasing cream. Skin riders buzzing and jets out in the street. Dodging traffic jams, yeah, the hustle don't sleep. School kids in uniform, open their eyes.
Remember, this is a generation. This is the music we generate. Within 2 minutes, 2 minutes, they are done generating their own music. This one, no copyright. It's your name inside. So guys, they're going to give you two versions, remember. You can see, you see, first version and second version. First version and second version. Choose the one you like and you enjoy your life. So guys, that is all about it. You have your music, everything. You can do anything you want to do with it right now. It's your music. Enjoy it. And so guys, thank you so much for watching till this point in time. Please give me a follow, share, like and comment, and don't forget to drop in the comment section what you want me to teach next time. See you there. Love you.
Mama in the kitchen cooking plantain and beans. Papa already hustling, chasing real life dreams. From Embargada to Mokolo market scenes. Life no easy, but we steady chasing cream. Bent skin riders buzzing, engines loud in the street. Dodging traffic jams, yeah, the hustle don't sleep. School kids in uniform, open their eyes. Some gon' make it big, some still fighting the lies. Street vendors trying and you take come and buy. Every franc counts when you just trying to survive. From Katies to downtown, we dey grind every day. Once you cut to success, we go find our own way. Even when the rain falls and the roads get rough, y'all live made me strong. Yeah, I'm built real tough. This is daily life in Yaoundé. We dey hustle non-stop from sunrise to sunset. We rise to the top. Getting you on the beat, yeah, I'm telling my story. Cameroon streets to all the white glory. Yeah. So all the white glory. Nighttime chillin', small bar with a crew. My casa in the air, we vibing, feeling cool. Loving through the struggle, yeah, we still stand tall. Even when the money low, we still give thanks for all. I let it cut hit, but the vibe never dies. Candlelight stories under African skies. Dreams bigger than the city, yeah, we aiming real high. From Yaoundé to the world, watch a young king fly. Respect to the elders, they paved the way. Now it's our time, we got something to say. No matter the pressure, we no go fold. Head full of fire, spirit made of gold. Speaking pidgin French, we mix it with the flow. Cultural pride everywhere that we go. From the struggle comes strength, yeah, we carry the flame. And when you're rising, remember the name. This is daily life in Yaoundé. We dey hustle non-stop from sunrise to sunset. We rise to the top. And then you on the beat, yeah, I'm telling my story. From our own streets to all the white glory. We came from nothing, now we aiming for the stars. Every scar a lesson, every dream taking us far. Yaoundé my home, yeah, it lives in my soul. No matter where I go, it will always be my goal. This is daily life in Yaoundé. We dey hustle non-stop from sunrise to sunset. We rise to the top. And when you're on the beat, yeah, I'm telling my story. From our own streets to all the white glory. Yeah. To all the white glory. Yeah. Hey, hey.
So guys, I really appreciate you watching till this time. I appreciate you. Please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment, and check out this video here. See you in this video. Thank you so much.